In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Yelp business account permanently, step by step. This is going to be super helpful if you no longer want your business listed on Yelp or just want to clean up your online presence. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to yelp.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account that's connected to your business. Once you're logged in, the next step is to modify the URL slightly. At the end of the yelp.com URL, add /support and press enter. This will take you to the Yelp support page, which has all the tools you need to manage your account. Once you're on the support page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in deletion and then click on the search button. You'll see a list of links related to deleting accounts or information. Click on the second link. This is usually the one that leads to the instructions for deleting your account. After clicking that link, scroll down until you find a section that says Request to delete your personal information. Click on that hyperlink. A small box or form will appear where you can explain why you want to delete your account. Take a moment here to type in a clear reason, like closing my business or no longer using Yelp. Once you've typed it out, click Send. At this point, Yelp will send a confirmation email to the email address associated with your account. Open your email inbox and look for the message from Yelp. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder, just in case. Once you find the email, click on the hyperlink in the message. This will open a new browser tab that takes you back to Yelp, and here you'll see a Close Account button. Click on it, and your business account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Yelp business account is now gone. If you still have issues like not receiving the email or the link not working, don't worry, you can always contact Yelp support directly. They have a support team ready to help with account deletions and any other problems you might encounter.